Assalamualaikum. So for today guys, gumawa ako ng mango graham bar kasi gusto to ng husband ko, and this ingredients has been sitting on the refrigerator for like ilang days na, kasi supposedly gagawa ako nito nung nagbakasyon dito si Ina, tsaka si Ama, tsaka si Rashid, kasi I know they would like this. However, sa sobrang busy na namin, labas kami ng labas, hindi ko na to nagawa. So ngayon ko siya gagawin. At least naman, if my husband is craving for something, may makakain siya, kasi my husband is always craving for something. So na-realize ko lang guys that as you grow old pala, you will learn how to cook for your loved ones. Kasi when I was young, hindi talaga ako marunong magluto. As in, literal na muntik nang masunog yung bahay namin dahil pinagprito ako ng ate ko. Tapos, hindi ko alam tingnan kung naluto na ba yung pinrito kong tilapia or hindi pa. So, tinanggal ko siya sa kalan while naka-on yung gas. So, yung apoy pumunta dun sa kalan. So, imagine grabe yung sigaw ng ate ko. Tapos, nauna pa ako lumabas ng bahay, guys. Nauna dyan ko dagan, guys, pagawas sa balay. Kaya grabe akong hadlok. Anyway, hindi ko talaga alam kung tama pa itong ginagawa ko, but I'm just doing it. Di ba dapat mag-double yung size niyan? Pero hindi ko alam. Pero anyway, so yes, going back, don't teach your kids or daughter to be a good wife. Instead, teach them how to be a good person and find someone na mamahalin sila. Kasi eventually, kung mahal nila yung tao, matututo silang magluto, matututo silang maghanda para dun sa mahal nila. Kasi nga, they want to do something good for their partners. So instead of teaching them how to be a good wife, teach them how to be a good person and to find someone who is worth risking it all. Char, ang lalim. Anyway, ito na yung finished product kasi kinaumagahan na to pala. And then, pinatikim ko din sa suspect. Ayun, pasado naman sa panglasa niya. At dumagdag pa nga siya after that. He liked it and alhamdulillah. And also my Oreo, he likes it. Hi Oreo, my love. Thank you for watching.